it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And guess where I've gone? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So, Dollar Tree. They have some of the new stuff out right now. So, I'm super excited. And my camera is turned backwards. So, if I keep looking over here, it's because I'm not used to looking at you over here. But let's go ahead and get started. I got a few of the standby things that just happened to fall into my basket, which are some of these Sure Fresh, and I use these not only for food but also to put my embossing powders in. So some of my crafting organization, and let's see, I'm just going to be like tossing things everywhere as I pull them out. Look at how cute this is. I simply adore it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I haven't even tried it. Let's see. Pull that little tab out. And did it start? I don't know. I do not know. I probably should test these things, but it's okay. I'm going to DIY this anyways, so there we go. I also picked up some of my glasses so that I could read. This is the place to get these little reader glasses, you guys. I don't know if you're like me. Now, I have plenty of these, but I picked it up because I wanted to show you, and I wasn't going to bring all my stuff out yet, is the metal words are back, you guys. Go grab them. We've got Thankful, Harvest, and Welcome. I buy them just for the welcome. The Thankful and Harvest are great, but you guys, you can use Welcome any time of the year. So go stock up on these. They make great gifts. You can use them in so many different DIYs. What else? Look at the little plastic mason jars. Super adorable. They're little craft bottles. I picked up only one. I probably should have picked up more, so we'll see what happens there. I also found these. These are brand new to me. I have not seen them at the Dollar Tree in these large designs. Look at this. They're little wooden cutouts. We've got a whale. We've got a seashell. And we've got a seahorse. You guys, there's 6 of these. Now, I have seen these at Michael's, and I have bought them at Michael's, and they're anywhere between 30 cents to like 70 cents a piece, and you're getting 6 of them. So I think that's a pretty darn good deal, because I also picked up the dolphin, the sea turtle, and a little mermaid. So I think there's another one in here, but I forget what they are. I also picked up these marbles. They're perfectly round marbles. And you'll see in here that I have another couple things to make a Lazy Susan for only a few dollars rather than, you know, $15 or $16. So I picked up these. I have not seen these. You guys, I have not been to the Dollar Tree in forever. So when I'm seeing these are all new to me. I could be behind the curve, but I don't think so. But this is Adhesive Diamond Wrap. Look at those. They've got little acorns. Those are little acorns on there. And then look at these little maple leaves on there. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with them, but they are so cute. I cannot wait. That's got DIY written all over it, if you ask me. So, one bag down. We have 2 more bags to go. Now, again, I picked some of these guys up. These I actually got for food. These are the Betty Crocker ones, and they're the Easy Seal. And I got these because they had the bonus. I got these because that's the size that works best for my embossing. And then I got these little guys for food because it came with the bonus and they're sizes that would be good. So 3 in here and 4 in here. So good deal, I think. What else? I picked up 2 little cups for the grandbabies. This one's got Mickey because he loves Mickey. That's the little one. And then the older one has Spider-Man and Venom. Ooh, scary. I also picked up 1 little canvas because I wanted to do a cute little craft that I saw last night on my stamping team. We do swaps, and oh my gosh, she did the cutest swap, and we swap in teams, and I wasn't on her team, so now I have to make my own. And so I picked this up so I could make my own, and I'll do it as a class if you want me to. Let me know down below if you're interested in seeing that. These guys, I think this may have been around last year, but I didn't pick any up if they did have them. But they're the clothespins. So we've got that. Felt clothespins, it says there. Now I also picked up these little maple leaves. They are just a bunch, how many? 5 of them, of the thin wood. I'm going to try to do some stamping on there, try some, what's it called, the paint, the flow paint. We got some more wood cutouts. This one's got the ladybug, an owl, and a butterfly. Bag number 2. Oh my goodness. I did see this online and had to get it. Family, Friends, and Football. Super cute. I love it. Grabbed one of those. And what do we have here? Oh, I grabbed a couple more of these. This one is the Betty Crocker. Again, this one I did grab for food as opposed to the other one because I'm going to have all red for the food. And I got a bag of blow pops. I wanted to do this for a little treat, so we've got that. I had not seen this little guy. I just think he's super cute. He's just a little beanbag, and he just sits on your table. I don't know if we're gonna DIY him. I just don't know, but I think he is just adorable. So I picked that up. And I picked up 2 of these cake pans. Again, to do a Lazy Susan. Let me know if you want to see really easy to make a little Lazy Susan. In fact, I'll just tell you real quick right now. You take these guys, you empty them in this pan, and then you take this pan and you set it right on top, and then it allows it to roll around. So then you can set, what I want to do is I want to set this guy on top of it. It's actually on a Lazy Susan, but the Lazy Susan's too high, and so it's wobbling, and I don't want it to wobble, so I'm going to put this and probably put some kind of E6000 or something to really hold it in place so it's not wobbling and it runs around, or, you know, swirls around. And then my last 2 items, let's see, this is a little pumpkin, little wooden pumpkin. Now these are easy to make yourself, but it's just so cute that why not grab it? It says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. And then of course that can be DIY'd. You can probably take off the back here and make your own faces if you'd like. All kinds of DIY opportunities there. And then this one, I think this is probably, well, no, I was going to say this is my favorite one, but it's not. This is my favorite one. Yay! And this is in a close second. Look at that. It's a little wooden block, and it's got a little cactus there, and it says love. There's also 2 other ones, different type of cactus or cacti. And one says kiss me, and the other one says home. But I love this little cacti, so I got him. And it's super cute. I love it. It's all it is decor, but who knows, we might turn it into something more than that. All right, that's everything. Let me know in the comment below what your favorite item is. Mine is, of course, I already told you. Woohoo! Go Cardinals! All right. So thank you guys so much for watching and being a beauty. If you aren't a beauty, click that subscribe button right there and then hit that little bell. And guess what? You're a beauty. Congratulations. Welcome. All right. I look forward to seeing you again. We'll do some DIYs with some of the stuff I bought today. And I look forward to talking to you later. All right. Have a wonderful day. Bye.